Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "This Breakup Ended with Screams in Handcuffs" by Watch Cop.
April 10th, 2024, officers were called to Florida Gulf Coast University after housing staff reported screams and loud banging echoing through the dorm hallways.
Down the hallway to the left.
And the school dorms is crazy. You can kiss your scholarship goodbye and schooling.
Hi, can you tell me what's going on?
This got me up all the way.
All these people that's at this goddamn college and
I hate you, Cameron. I hate you so much.
Psycho. Did she got on his boxers?
I said, let's go.
Vine can have a very, very prominent effect on your life if used correctly. If used like this, then yeah, you don't need it.
Stand up.
Ludicrous voice.
Are we done?
No, hell no, she not. She not done.
Bro, these handcuffs hurt like a
Sure they do.
They're not supposed to feel good.
get these shits off me. Oh, shit.
They not supposed to feel good.
There's all new shit at the end of the day, but treat you wrong. No, God. If you never knew yourself, no, God.
And I ain't gonna lie to you, to be in a relationship in college is pretty crazy because we all know what goes down in college. I didn't even go to college and I seen what was going on in college. I was at the college so much they thought I went there, but I was just there for the parties and you know what I'm saying? Like to expect commitment from a 19, 20, 21, 22-year-old. Don't do it. Don't set yourself up for failure, babe. These nuts. Ha! I don't know, with all that screaming though, she would be an amazing singer in a rock band, metal band, heavy metal actually.
They're 931 subjects.
Those vocals were actually killing it.
You don't think anyone's here to protect you? These cops are.
Relax. You copy
These
Florida.
cops are the fucking shit.
Hotel 400 430 04 947.
What did he do? What did he do?
Good.
Okay. What's your name?
Last name's Hall.
Paul.
Hall, Hall. First name is Jazana, J-A.
Oh, that should have told you right there. The first name what was gonna go down in this video. Shit.
S-S-A-N-A.
I ain't even never heard of that name before.
Royal Palm Beach.
Florida.
Okay. Do you guys need anything from me?
I'm gonna need statements from.
I want to know why she acting like this. Can we know what happened? Shit.
That's fine.
Students.
Okay.
Did
they're all
the
my
staff?
so I can help you.
All right.
All
How
my
many
staff.
are in there?
There's 3.
Yeah, though. She called. What did she call
Megan
herself?
Pearson. She's one of my RAs. I got her.
The one in the red sweater.
No, she was one of our desk assistants, but she is one of our staff members.
Yeah, the DA. The
Yeah.
one that was in the hallway when we first got here. I definitely need a statement from her.
Okay.
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 Their NIPD, you said she is not a student, correct?
She's not in P2, checking in banner.
Okay.
10-4, thank you. Let me
Would
have her.
you issue a trespass for this?
10-4.
I don't know, I'm gonna call Terry.
Because that's, I mean, it would be up to them. I'd be like,
I mean, I don't want her back in our buildings. If she's gonna be a safety hazard to our residents,
Yeah, that's crazy.
it's be
Go
up
with
to Natalie
disorderly?
Record.
I don't know. That's why I want to call
Based off
Terry
the
and see.
statements. Yeah, disorderly. Resisting without. Because she wasn't fighting you, but she also wasn't.
No, I mean she was.
It's on. I don't know. Was she like resisting?
Are you busy?
She did resist.
Okay, I'm over here at Biscayne. We got the call. I was in dispatch when the call came in, so we headed here. Apparently, the subject said she was a student. They allowed her into the building, and then she went to a student's room, was banging on the door, screaming, hollering, would not leave the area. We get here. She's screaming and hollering. There's a desk assistant down there who starts to walk away. She refused to leave. We get there. Hey, what's going on? She doesn't really want to talk to me, saying this is shit, fuck this. So I said, all right.
Did she say the
that's it.
N-word?
Let's go. We'll talk about it outside. She starts screaming at the top of her lungs, kicking at the door. Said, we are not doing that. Let's go get your stuff, making her leave. So we're walking down the hallway. She's screaming and hollering again. I yell, we're not doing this. Let's go. At one point, she throws her stuff. She's pulling. We end up getting her on the ground and putting her in handcuffs. She's currently in the back of the car. I need to know what I need to do from here. Housing does not want her back in the building. They're saying that she is a threat
Shit, I wouldn't want her ass in there neither.
to student safety. But at minimal, we had to get her restrained to get her out of that building.
What I be saying, I almost pulled out.
Why don't you think what?
That's what I would charge her with. The trespasser.
We can issue the trespass, but we can't arrest for the trespass, but she has to be warned first. So is this, we're gonna start acting up?
Oh, fuck y'all, bro.
Damn.
What the fuck are y'all talking about?
Are we gonna start acting up again?
No. No. Oh God. All I ever knew, that's all I ever had.
Josiana, what did you just say you were gonna do?
Keep your head up.
But I was gonna go back to him, bro.
Keep your head up.
That you love so bad, I know you still think about the time. Oh, wow. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Oh, we out.